Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Lucid Air to Lucid App, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Lucid Air is parked and powered on. Download the Lucid app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app by following the on-screen instructions. Open the Lucid app after installation. Sign in using your Lucid account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by tapping Sign Up. Once logged in, tap on the Connect Vehicle option. Choose your vehicle model from the list provided. Follow the prompts to verify your vehicle's status. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. On your Lucid Air's touchscreen, navigate to the Settings menu. Select Connectivity from the options available. Tap on Mobile App Connection to initiate pairing. Your vehicle will display a unique pairing code. Enter this code in the Lucid app on your smartphone. Wait for the app to confirm the connection. Once connected, explore the app's features to control your vehicle. You can check battery status, lock and unlock doors, and adjust settings directly from the app. Regularly update the app for the best experience and new features. Enjoy the convenience of managing your Lucid Air through the Lucid app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.